Hey everybody, welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension skills as I speak. Are you ready? Today we're going to talk about a birthday party. Last Saturday, I went to my friend Sarah's birthday party. She was turning 10 years old and her parents had planned a big party for her. The party started at 2 p.m. and I was very excited to go. When I arrived at Sarah's house, I could see that the front yard was decorated with balloons and a big banner that said, "Happy birthday, Sarah." There were lots of kids running around and playing games. I went inside and found Sarah. She was wearing a beautiful party dress and looked very happy. The first thing we did was play some games. We played musical chairs, which was a lot of fun. The music would stop, and everyone would scramble to find a chair to sit on. I made it to the final round but didn't win. After musical chairs, we played a game called Pin the Tail on the Donkey. We were blindfolded and had to try to pin a paper tail onto a picture of a donkey. It was really funny because no one could see where they were pinning the tail. After the games, it was time for cake and presents. Sarah's mom brought out a big birthday cake with 10 candles on it. We all sang happy birthday to Sarah, and she blew out the candles. The cake was chocolate with lots of frosting, and it tasted delicious. Then Sarah opened her presents. She got so many wonderful gifts, like toys, books, and clothes. I gave her a new board game, and she seemed very happy with it. We all watched as she opened her gifts and thanked everyone. After the cake and presents, we went outside to play. Sarah's dad had set up a small trampoline in the backyard, and we all took turns jumping on it. It was so much fun. We also played tag and hide and seek. The backyard was big, with lots of places to hide. As the party started to wind down, Sarah's mom gave everyone a goodie bag. Inside the goodie bag were some candies, small toys, and a thank you note from Sarah. It was a nice way to end the party. By the time I left, it was almost 5 p.m. I had a great time at Sarah's birthday party. It was so much fun to celebrate with her and all our friends. The games were exciting, the cake was delicious, and the presents were wonderful. It was a perfect day. Celebrating birthdays with friends is always a lot of fun. It's a great way to make happy memories and enjoy special moments together. I hope you enjoyed this story about a birthday party. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more English listening practice videos. See you next time.